Hey girls, welcome back to my channel for this week's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome girls. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back this week and clicking on my face. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because you're going to like it. And also do not forget to go ahead and press that subscribe button for your girl. It all helps me out. And yes, come back each week for new videos and uploads. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I mean, why not? Ooh, okay, G. Girl, I look good today. Honey, I look good enough to take myself shopping, girl. So as you guys can see by the title, this is an unboxing video. And actually, this is my first unboxing video on my channel. So I'm like excited about this. Like, usually I'm just like, when I unbox something, it's like I'll come and give a review on it. But I don't be having time to like do an unboxing, girl. I be just like, I need to see it. But today we're going to do an unboxing video together. It is slightly unboxed already, but we're going to act like it's not. Also, this is my first time shopping at Fashionphile, so I'm kind of excited about that because I've been having my eye on them for a while, and I knew I wanted to purchase something from them. It was just a matter of time and what I needed, even though I don't need anything. But yeah, because a lot of people ask me about shopping Preloved, and Fashionphile is a Preloved website. So yes, this bag is Preloved. But however, the conditions of their bags are amazing. The prices, they usually be okay. Sometimes they can be on like the expensive side. But yeah, we're gonna get into all the details about shopping Preloved, Fashionphile. One thing I did not like, I don't like the fact that they use FedEx for shipping, because me and FedEx, me and that girl, we don't like each other. I'm a UPS girl all day, because with UPS I never have issues. FedEx, they just always late with dropping delivery. It's just always some BS, and I just ain't got time for it. But other than that, I didn't really have any issues with Fashionphile. They have a 30-day return policy. Long as you don't take the tags off the bag, you can return it in the condition that the bag was sent to you. Buying Preloved, you also want to look at a few things like the resale price of whatever it is that you're purchasing. You want to check to see how much it's reselling for right now on the market. You want to look at how much the person or the website is selling it to you, and you also want to look at the retail price. Now, if the retail price is similar to the price that you're about to pay, you need to go ahead, if you can get it, and just go ahead and get it in the store at full retail price. Because half of the times I don't like when it's a couple $100 off. If it's like $150 off or something like that, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it brand new full retail. You want to do a lot of research. You want to look at Instagram, Google, YouTube videos. Always look at these things to see other people's reviews and experiences shopping at these places. Also, make sure you go to Instagram, check the Instagram, see if they have followers, see if people tag them. Always do your research before you just go ahead and throw your money out there, because anytime you're shopping Preloved, you're already taking a chance, because you're already buying something that has been used by someone else, and that's a gamble right there alone, girl. Okay, now that we got all of that out of the way, now we can get into the reason that you guys are here, and that's gonna be for the unboxing. Okay, so when I first opened the box, I realized there was confetti. So I was like, oh my god, y'all, we have to have a confetti party. Like, what? Oh my god. The bag came in a really big Fashionphile box, and as you can see, the box is damaged. Thank God it wasn't nothing that can be like broken or anything, because I don't know what FedEx was doing here. But once you open the box, it says Fashionphile, and it just has your receipt in this really cool card. And they also gave me I don't know if you can see that, it's a Fashionphile nail file, and it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet, and I don't hear no lies up in that. And yes, so let me come up. So once you open the box, there's, y'all, this box is really huge, and this is cardboard. This is probably why I don't do unboxings, but it just has this sticker that says used is the new, and I'm gonna just put this box down first of all and pull a bag out. This bag did not come in its original dust bag, so Fashionphile just sent it over in the extra large Fashionphile dust bag, which I was okay with. I'm just happy that they sent a dust bag, because finding a dust bag is very hard, especially a dust bag of this size. It's just hard and it'll be super expensive. So the bag that I end up getting is the Chanel Rock and Chain flap bag. Y'all, look at this beautiful, beautiful baby. Like, she's everything. Like, oh my God. So first of all, this bag was in production from 2006 to 2008. So this bag is like at least 12 years old. So I saw this bag maybe 3 to 4 years ago. I saw someone had it on, and I was like, oh my God, where did you get this bag? And when she was explaining to me the history of the bag, I was like, I want this bag. So once I scrolled on Fashionphile and saw that they had it, it was a no-brainer. Before I show you guys, I'm gonna just tell you, the bag retailed for $9.95, which was a steal, and I was like, what? The size, it is 14 inches long. Let me make sure before I stole the line, girl. Yeah, it's 14 inches long. The height is going to be 8.75 inches, and the width is 6.5 inches. Now, the strap can't be crossbody on this bag. Right now, with the double straps, the drop from here to here is going to be 9.5 inches, and once I drop it for crossbody, it's going to be the total of 18 inches. Let me show you guys the details. First of all, the bag is super big, if you can see. Hold on. This bag is huge, and this is the tag. If you are not sure about any purchase that you get from Fashionphile, it just says do not remove none of these tags or you will not be able to return it. What I did love about this bag, by being made early 2000s, it still has that very heavy Chanel chain. Hold on, let me show you guys the chain first of all, look at that. The chain is just gorgeous, and it's super, super heavy. This bag is pretty light, but the chain is very heavy, which I'm okay with, because I want the chains to be durable, because I want to be able to carry almost anything with me. Now, one thing that did win me over with this bag, I love the fact that it's this extra large flap. Like so it's like really easy to get in, and I love the vinyl. Like, sometimes vinyl can look very cheap if it's not done right, but I thought Chanel did a great job with this bag. Like, great job, especially for an everyday bag. On the sides, let me get my computer so I can show you girls. And this bag has no structure, so I did order a bag insert for this bag because it has no structure. Some days I'm gonna want it to be structured, and some days I don't want it too structured. So here, as you can see on the sides of the bag, they have the diamond quilt, and all the way around the bag is just gonna be vinyl, like so. And it's so soft and just so luxurious and pretty. And I think, look how pretty that looks with the gold hardware. Y'all, that is so gorgeous. Okay guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and switched over to my vlogging camera because I was having a hard time. Girl, this bag is huge, and it just was like a lot going on. So let me show y'all. It has the Chanel logo here on the front, which is really pretty. And to say this bag is an older model, like I said, it's still super pretty, and it's very huge. It has no shape, but I did order a bag insert from Etsy or Amazon, one of them. So it has this flap. It does not have a zipper also. That's why I say this bag will be great for travel when I do start traveling again. I'm going to LA next month, so I'm definitely going to take this bag with me to see how it travels. So you just do it like so, very easy. And in the inside, there's this really pretty golden silk material, which I love. I'm happy that they didn't do black because it would have been super hard to find stuff in this large bag. And there's the Chanel zipper. This pocket is also super huge. I usually try not to put things in pockets because I end up losing or keeping it in the bag. And yes, this right here, I'm not sure what it's for, but I found out when I do crossbody, I just snap it over on this side, and it just helps the bag also have a little more structure when I do it like that. And yeah, it keeps the chain from over here from slipping and sliding. So yeah, look at all this room. So like I said, I did purchase the bag insert, and the bag insert will be about the size of this bag here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this bag inside so you guys can see what the bag will look like with a little more structure. Just to give you guys a quick visual of how I would actually wear this bag, I went in and put on all black. Y'all, look at that. First of all, the matte black moto jacket with the vinyl together is just giving me everything right now. Like, oh my god. And the gold hardware. Y'all, this bag is so good. And it'll be like so easy to just like in the bag and bam. Y'all, I'm feeling it. Can't you? I can just see myself now, girl. Y'all know every time I do a bag review, I'm always trying to see what it'll look like at the airport, because honey, I'm ready to go somewhere. So when I go to LA next month, this bag will definitely be coming. And oh my god, y'all, I cannot wait to wear this outfit. She just like, yes. Oh my god, so cute. I don't think I would ever wear this bag crossbody, because it's just like, first of all, I'm super short, and I just don't think it'll look good on me crossbody. But you can definitely, oh snap, you can definitely go crossbody and it'll still be super cute. But it's like, even out, it's like I'm too short. I have to, and the bag is just super large, unless I just pull it up some more and have it like so. Now, and like I told y'all, in the inside with that little hook, if I hook the strap over here, it'll be able to shorten it, and I'll be able to just wear it like this. But I don't think I'm gonna ever wear this bag crossbody. I'm definitely not. So yeah, this is the bag, guys. Super pretty, and I love the fact that I don't have to worry about it getting scratched or anything. It'll just be great for every day. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the bag. I absolutely love the bag. I cannot wait to wear the bag and style the bag. I didn't have any issues with Fashionphile. I actually had to call them. They handled everything. If you can hear a screaming kid, this little girl, y'all, she's on my last nerve. Oh, anyways, yes, I didn't have no issues. I cannot wait to start posting pictures. This is going to be a great bag for when I'm like going to Pilates and spin class. So I just cannot wait to wear the bag and style it. So I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell me what you guys are buying right now, because of course I want to know. I'm not shopping right now. I have not been shopping for a while, so this bag was a treat.